Affinity is a relationship intelligence platform designed to help sales teams with prospecting and outreach. Using AI, we surface connections and the strength of those connections throughout your broader network, allowing you to understand who to reach out to for an introduction to close your next big deal. Our deep integration with email and calendar surfaces all network interaction history, instantly informing you of whether or not someone at your company has reached out to that prospect before. Smart columns throughout Affinity auto-populate by pulling in data from outside sources, saving you time so you can focus your efforts on more important matters. We partner with third-party data providers, such as Clearbit and Crunchbase, to populate critical client and prospect information, such as phone numbers, location, job title, industry, and LinkedIn profiles for contacts, and location, funding, employee count, and year founded for organizations. As a quota-holding sales rep, this will save you a ton of time, skipping the manual data entry so you can focus on closing deals. Utilize Affinity's alliances to build out a true revenue generator, leveraging the relationships of other colleagues not on Affinity, trusted advisors and investors, or even customers who are advocates of your product. Every alliance you form will grow your network exponentially, gaining you access to who your alliances know and how well they know them. Through these alliances, you can gain warm intros, starting the conversation off with a leg up from the competition. Affinity's pipeline management provides your team with visibility into deals that are in motion, surfacing where they are in the pipeline and who has the strongest connection and when the last interaction took place. Set up saved views within your deal pipeline to drill down into data sets that matter, such as closed deals versus open deals, or segment them by industry or region. With Affinity's reporting, you can make all of this data actionable, understanding your sales funnel, win rates, and how long deals are sitting in different statuses. Combine your learnings from the funnel analysis by status report with the results of the forecasting report to get a sense of how things are going. Our mobile app allows you to access your network and deals while on the go, so you can update your pipeline and form new introductions without skipping a beat. Whether you are a VP of sales, account executive, or in sales ops, Affinity can help you excel in your role by broadening your network, forming meaningful connections, and managing your pipeline without dropping the ball.